Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video directly into your Figma project. This is incredibly useful when you're designing presentations, prototypes, or any interactive mockups where you want to showcase video content right within your design file. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's jump right in. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the project or file where you want to embed your YouTube video. Make sure you're working in the correct file, as this will be where your embedded video appears. Having the right project open from the start saves you time and keeps your workflow smooth. Once you're in your project, look down at the bottom of your screen. You'll see an action button there. Go ahead and click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Plugins and Widgets. This is the section that gives you access to all the powerful extensions and tools that enhance Figma's capabilities beyond its core features. Now, a search field will appear. In that search bar, type YouTube and Vimeo Video. This plugin is specifically designed to let you embed video content from these platforms directly into your Figma designs. It's a simple but incredibly effective tool for adding dynamic media to your projects. When the plugin appears in the search results, click on it. You'll then see an option to run the plugin. Click Run to activate it. This will initialize the plugin and prepare it to accept your video link. You might notice the interface adjusting slightly as the plugin loads, which is completely normal. After clicking Run, a field will appear on your screen. This is where you'll paste the link of the YouTube video you want to embed. Go ahead and paste your YouTube URL directly into that field. Make sure the link is complete and accurate so the plugin can properly fetch and display your video. Once you've pasted the link, look for the play button and click it. This action tells the plugin to process the video link and embed it into your Figma canvas. The video will now appear in your project, ready to be positioned and adjusted just like any other element in Figma. Now that your video is embedded, you can resize it to fit your design perfectly. Simply click and drag the corners or edges of the video element to adjust its dimensions. This flexibility allows you to integrate the video seamlessly into your overall layout, whether you're creating a presentation slide, a website mockup, or an interactive prototype. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video into your Figma project, making your designs more interactive and engaging. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.